Boil lemons and drink this liquid as soon as you wake up. You will be shocked by the results. Your overall health largely depends on your eating habits and the lifestyle you have. A lot of nutritionists stress that the first thing you consume is the most important. And, there's no doubt warm water with lemon is one of the best options to start your day with. Read on and find out why. Drinking warm water enriched with an unpeeled lemon provides a myriad of nutrients. Not many people know that lemon rind actually packs more vitamins and minerals than the pulp. Boiling unpeeled lemons in water rather than squeezing the juice only will provide all the nutrients you can reap from this amazing citrus fruit. The long list of benefits you get from this health-boosting mix includes improved immune system function, protection against colds, increased energy levels, improved digestion and metabolism, elimination of body toxins, internal pH balance, better skin quality, fresh breath, healthy weight loss, improved mood, prevention of depression, lymph system hydration, fast healing. The preparation of this health-improving potion is quite simple. What you do: 6 lemons, water, honey. Directions: 1. Cut 6 lemons in halves. 2. Pour 20 ounces of water in a pot, then add the lemons. 3. Bring this to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 3 minutes. 4. Let the mix cool for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Remove the lemons from the water. 6. Pour the hot lemon water in a teacup and sweeten with some honey. 7. Store the remaining lemon water in a glass bottle and use throughout the day. Aside from getting an energy boost for the start of the day, a cup of this drink will also keep you hydrated, healthy and happy. An added bonus is that you can refrigerate the potion and drink it as iced tea the next day.